My name is Anthony Doe, and this is my 1993 Nissan 240SX. So on the front here, we have an S15 kit mixed with the Rocket Bunny, and then the rest of the car is the 380 180SX Aero kit from Rocket Bunny as well. The reason I decided to go with the S15 front end is because everybody seems to do the generic S13 front end on the 180SX to make it to SIL 80. So I just wanted to be a little bit different. I went ahead and went with the S15 front end. And to make it even a bit more different, I went ahead and mix and match two different Rocket Bunny kits.
Did you have to buy two kits for that?
I had to buy two separate kits for that. They would not separate it for me.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Crazy, okay. And what kind of work do you need to do to swap that front end?
So they actually sell S13.5 bolt-on fenders. First one I said, I think they were Origins. The front end didn't quite line up. Like right about here, the headlight just didn't match up with the fender too well. So I went ahead and bought a different set. The headlights fit fine, but then the doors didn't fit. So then eventually I just went ahead and said, I'm gonna import some S15 fenders from Japan, waited for those to come in, took the front half of the S15, cut off the back half and welded on my S13 to get the perfect fit.
Wow, intense. Okay. Now what's up with the tub work?
I went with the tubs because I felt like I needed something to pop in my engine bay over the motor itself. And I feel like it gives it that cleaner, sleeker look that just makes it look like water is just gonna roll off.
Right. Was that a lot of work to do?
Actually, no. So what you can do is like a shortcut. Instead of like forming it, you could take like a trailer fender and like just hack it in half and then put one side on one and the other side on the other. What was a lot of work was building the side frame to cover up the holes from the factory fender.
Okay. Wow. Now, how hard is it to fit the 2J in there?
The 2J in this car has been around forever, so you can basically buy motor mount kits online and they just bolt right up. The ones I bought didn't quite fit just right, so me and my buddy Mark actually had to like cut and modify it and like re-drill holes to where it fit the way it does right now.
Okay. What's the specs on the engine work?
So it is a 2JZ GTE with a Precision 6267. It makes 500 horsepower on about 12 pounds of boosts. It has, it's basically stock internals with the HKS Cam Gears, HKS head gasket, and ARP head studs with a port and polish factory intake manifold. All right, so back here we will start off with the main point is the Battle Aero V4 chassis mounted wing. And accompanying that is the Rocket Bunny rear diffuser. It's actually, the one Rocket Bunny actually supplied broke almost instantly. So what me and my buddy did was we took the templates and then cut it out of like sheet of aluminum. So now hopefully it stays more sturdy. And then I have the JDM Kooky taillights off the 180SX. The stance is from D2 coilovers with the Vera air management. It is bags. And those are with the TE37 SLs, custom powder coated gloss black. And then I have 6-pot Brembos in the front, and wrapped on these wheels are the Toyo R888Rs.
So the airbags, was that your first choice, or that's kind of
No.
like a necessity for where you live?
I actually, I was static at first. I had D2 coilovers, and to get the gap where I wanted to be, I couldn't drive around basically. Like I was hitting everything. I actually destroyed the front splitter as well, and we had to recut that out of aluminum. And so I just made the choice to go bags, and honestly I haven't regretted it. It just makes life so much easier, except for the few hiccups that I have here and there. So for the interior, I went with a full custom suede interior from the dash to the seats to the A-pillars. And then with that is the paint match Cusco 6-point cage. I also have the BRAUM Falcon seats. Those are also wrapped in the suede with the custom purple stitching. And then for here we have my kick panel, which my, what is this? This is my fuel pump, my 2 fans, the starter, and then the battery kill switch. Over here I have the Greddy suede steering wheel, and that is attached to a NRG quick release and a short hub. And then over here I have a full set of custom SpeedHut gauges. So I have the fuel, the tachometer, the speedometer, oil pressure, boost gauge, wideband, and water temp.
Cool. Do you wear gloves when you're driving?
No, but I really should. It's clearly showing signs of like bare hands on the suede.
Yeah, suede does that.
Real fast too.
So why the purple?
I don't know. Purple kind of sticks out to me. Not a lot of people does it. And then trying to match it, that was kind of fun too. Purple doesn't go with a lot of colors. I feel like people try to throw it in with colors. In my opinion, they don't go.
Okay. What color is this car?
This car is Avalanche gray off the Ford Raptor.